Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this villager breeder in Minecraft. It's similar to other designs. Instead I've added a chest for refilling minecarts, and I've added these ladders for easy access to the top so you can drop food into the villagers. All the materials will be listed in the description below. Just pick out an area you want to build this. Build up 3 high with glass. Like so. Place any slabs on top of the glass. Place a fence post in the middle, like so. Then come up top and place your beds on top of the slabs, like so. Then at the ends of the beds where the pillows are, place carpets. Then on the bottom of the beds, place trapdoors. Like so. This is basically you done, just add in your villagers. If you're doing this on survival, you're going to have to bring them up in a minecart and drop them into a 1x1 hole. For the demonstration of the video, I'm just going to spawn them in. Place a temporary block in a trapdoor above the villagers. Then go around the trapdoor with slabs. This is so we're able to go to the top and place in food. Come down to the bottom and dig out a 5x5 hole that's too deep, just below the breeder. Then pick wherever you're wanting your rail to go and place in 2 slabs. And then place an upward slab. There should be a gap right here. Come to the right and break this block. Place in a piece of redstone and a dispenser looking outwards. Come up top and place a hopper looking into the dispenser. A chest on top of the hopper. This will be where you fill in your minecarts. Then place a button in front of the chest. This is so that you can activate the dispenser and the power drills. Place in 2 power drills here and 2 normal rails. This will let the minecarts go through the block, picking up the villagers that are in here, and the minecarts will end up here. You can then place rails to wherever you're wanting to take the villagers. Just fill the chest with minecarts, and the hopper will automatically put all the minecarts into the dispenser. Now it's up to you wherever you want to build this ladder. I prefer to make it symmetrical, so I just build 2 ladders on either sides of the chest. Just build up blocks to the top. And then place in your ladders. Then fill in this gap with slab. Then you can come up your ladder, open the trapdoor, and give your villagers food so that they can start breeding. They'll start throwing food to each other, which will then spawn a baby villager, which will then fall through the fence post into the bottom. And then once they've grown up, you can come around the back, press this button, it will spawn in a minecart, which will then grab the villager through the glass, and then you can take this villager to wherever you want to take them. You can then also cover up the floor with whatever block you want. And it's as simple as that. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.